Okay, the actually the call modules is the basic. It is described about the basic connections between the hardware and software. Okay, that are necessary for connecting or disconnecting the calls. Okay, and then we have two sequences, two models will be there in these call modules. Okay, one is the connecting model and another is the disconnecting model. Okay, and then this is a block diagram of your the call modules. Okay, these are the connecting sequence. The connecting sequence, there are connections. There is a number of hardware and software will be connected during this connecting sequences. Similarly, in the disconnecting sequences also, same thing. There is a number of means a number of hardware and software will be connected in the disconnecting sequences. Okay, see, everyone should note down this block diagram of call modules. Okay, we have only two options will be there to make. If you suppose if you go for calling some other person, means for connecting, some of the equipments are involved, software as well as the hardware equipments are involved to make the connections. Okay, similarly for disconnecting also, after disconnecting the calls, means some of the hardware and software will be resetting the they will do some functions. Okay, what are the hardware and softwares are involved in the during the connecting and disconnecting that we are discussing today. Okay, the first one is the connecting sequence, how the connections will be happened. Okay, see, connecting sequences actually it consists of a software routines that can scan the lines and detect the request for origination. Okay, suppose if you make a call, if you started to call to some other person, means initially the softwares, there is a software will be every day it will be checking the lines to detect the request. Okay, actually the connect sequence, the connect sequence is concept of software routines that scan the lines and detect the request from origination, and then connect the sequence of call has to follow a set of software procedures. Okay, they will follow the some set of the software procedure to involved in the order to accept the request. Okay, and then we can see in the block diagram, the first one is the what are the software that are involved in this particular during the calling process, means first is the scan the lines. Okay, every time they will check the scanning the lines, suppose any request is detected or not, they will check it. If suppose the request will be detected, means immediately they'll follow a set of software procedure to involved in order to the accept the request. Okay, the first step of the connecting sequences is the first is the scan the lines. Okay, once the scan line will be detected, okay, one is line will be detected in order detected, that indicates line has gone off hook. Off hook is nothing but it is in a idle condition, it is in a off condition. Suppose it is on condition, means immediately they will send the that line will be busy with the another call, so they will send that information for you people. Okay, suppose your so another called persons are busy with some other engage with it, another call, immediately they will send the message, or they will send the voice message to the particular caller having we already engaged with the some other calls. That's why initially what you will do means first you have to scan the request. Okay, during the scanning, what happen, they will check that person will be in a off, they will identify it is a half hook or it is a on hook. Okay, the line has gone to off hook and it is and it will be sent to the request for the dialing tone. Okay, it is engaged means they not go for dialing tone. Okay, it is in off hook only. Okay, off hook is nothing but in earlier is what happened in the telephone, there's a hook is there in the receiver we are keeping the receiver in the telephone now, that is the one hook is there, it is in off only. It means off ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ, ಒಳಗಡೆ ಪ್ರೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಬಟನ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಿರುತ್ತೆ ಒಳಗಡೆ, ಹಿಂಗೆ ನೀವು ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ಎತ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಅದ್ ಬಟನ್ ಆನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. Okay, if that hook will be on and off. Okay, suppose that when initially what happened, initially the DSS as scanning the lines on the during the scanning any uh, request any request to be detected in the particular lines, immediately they will send to the uh, send the they will send to the uh, another software, they will detect that particular telephone is an on look or off look. Okay, so one suppose the particular line will be gone off look and it is send a request to the dial tone. Okay, that is a general. Now it is a different case. In earlier I'm talking about the earlier two-wire line, two-wire or four-wire telecommunications. Okay, they will detect the on and off hook. Okay, It is in non-op. It is in non-op is nothing but that person is already engaged with some other call. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಮ್ಗೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ DSS ಎನಿ ಟೈಮ್ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಚೆಕಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ದ ಲೈನ್, ಎಲ್ಲಿಂದ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರಿಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ದೆನ್ ಓಕೆ, ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದ lines, okay, then it means that that line indicate that line as goes to off look. Okay, then they will go for requesting for the dial tone. Okay, we can see observe the first one is the scan line. Okay, when the scan line will be accepted, then you go for the that is indicated we are detecting the off hook. Okay, when it is detecting the off hook, then we'll go for the requesting for the dial tone. Okay, the off hook program process passes on the control to the test line programs. Okay, once the off hook will be directed, then we'll go for the next process as the testing the line. Test the line program. Test the line. Okay, how to do the testing means if they are using also set of, see, for connecting also we are using some of the set of software. Okay, set of software to accept the particular request. Okay, initially what happen, the line will be scanned with the suitable softwares and it will detect the hook, and then it will go for the requesting the dial tone. Okay, once the hook program will be okay, that hook detection program will be passes to on the control of the line, control to the test line program. Okay, this test this perform the test for the presence of false ground, high voltage line cross and other conditions. Okay, here what happen after then we go for the next is the test line. In the test line also they will testing the line. Okay, suppose any false ground, any ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾರ ಐ ರಶ್ ಐ ಕರೆಂಟ್ ಏನಾರ ಹೋಗ್ತದೆ ಆ ಲೈನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ವಾಟ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಟೆಲಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ವೈರ್ಡ್ ಮಾಡಲ್, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಅ ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್. ಈಗೆಲ್ಲ ವೈರ್ಲೆಸ್ ಮಾಡಲ್ ಇದೆ. ಓಕೆ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ನಾಟ್ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಎನಿ ಲೈನ್, ನಥಿಂಗ್ ಎಲ್ಸ್. Okay, in olden days, in earlier days, what happened? Every telephone will be in a wired telephones. That is a wired communication. Okay, that's why initially after checking the half hook condition of the particular telephone, then you go for the testing lines. Okay, testing means suppose in our line ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಾರ high current, high voltage ಹೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆಯಾ ಇಲ್ವಾ ಅಂತ ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. Okay, after successful completion of this test, a dial tone is returned to the subscriber. Okay, dial tone is returned to the subscriber and signaling the user to dial the digit. ಓಕೆ, ಎಲ್ಲ ಟೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಡಯಲ್ ಟೋನ್ ರಿಟರ್ನ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬರ್ಗೆ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಫೋನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರ್ತಾರಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಡಯಲ್ ಟೋನ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ನಾವು ಯೂಸಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಡಿವೈಸಸ್ ಯು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಡಯಲ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ಸ್. Okay, and these procedures, scan line, the detecting the off hook and testing the lines. Okay, these things will be set up within these steps must be completed within the 3 seconds. Okay, now it is very less time. In the olden days, in the normal telephone systems, they are using within less than 3 minutes. They will complete this processor. Okay, the first processor they should be testing the line. Second processor to detect the hook. After that, checking the lines, testing the line. Okay, these 3 processor can how to do this means they are having a set of software programs are adapting in the DSS. Okay, again after that what happened, once the program, you can see observe in the diagram also, once the program is once the test is over, then you go for the translate line. It is audible now? Hello, say sir. No?
Yes sir.
Okay, see, once off hook is passes to on the control to the test line program, this program test for the presence of false ground, high voltage line cross and other condition. Okay, after successful completion of this test, a dial tone is returned to the subscriber. Again, the signaling is the user to dial the digit, and this step should be completed within the 3 seconds. Once subscribers will be enter the digit, the dial tone is removed and digit are collected in the buffer. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದೆಯಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪ, ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ನೀವು ಇನ್ಪುಟ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಎಂಟ್ರಿ ಮಾಡಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ಡಯಲ್ ಟೋನ್, ಏನ್ ನಿಮ್ದು ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಡಯಲ್ ಟೋನ್ ಇರುತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ರಿಮೂವ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, and that digit will be collected in the buffer. Okay, after the correct number, okay, after the correct number after the correct number of the digit received from the subscribers, again switching fabric map is consulted and network control order the issued to establish the talking path through the switching fabric. Okay, we can see observe in the block diagram also. See, after scanning line, next you to go for detecting the AFUC. Now after the detecting the AFUC, then go for the test line, and then translation line. Translation means the starting the dial tone will be the dial tone is returned to the subscriber. Okay, after that the receiving the digits. Okay, uh, once the subscriber enter the digit, then dial tone will be removed and digits are collected in the buffer. Okay, see, connecting the dial tone. After that, receiving the digits, then you go for the accessing the network map. Okay, order to network controllers and hunting the network path and establish the dark path. Okay, see, after once the subscribers will be entered the digit to the dial tone the dial tone will be removed and the digit will be collected in the buffer. After the correct number of the digits received from the subscriber, the switching fabric map is consulted. It means the switching, it will move to the switching fabric systems, and then network control is ordered or then issued to establish the talking path through the switching fabric. Okay, after completion completion of the path, the ringing service circuit is connected to the third party. Andre once ಯಾವಾಗ switching ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅವಾಗ ಏನು ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, immediate ಆಗಿ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, the ring service circuit is connected to the called party. Okay, you are calling, that is a called party, and ringing is initiated. Okay, ringing initiate ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. When the called party is answer the call, the billing and accounting timer are started. Okay, ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಯಾವಾಗ ಕಾಲ್ ರಿಸೀವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾನಲ್ಲ ಕಾಲ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ, ಅವಾಗ they will start the billing and counting times. Okay, this is the connecting sequence. You can see observe in the block diagram also. Okay, once again I repeat the things. Okay, initially see, we have n number of, you can see that we have n number of software. The set of softwares are used in the are involved in this procedure. Okay, first is the scan line software. They will scan the line and detect the request. After that, they will go for the next procedure, that's a detect the half. Okay, that's called what will be detect the half condition. Then you go for the test lines. Okay, test lines. Okay, after the testing the line, then you'll go for the translate line. Okay, in that connect the dial tone immediately. Okay, immediately it connect the dial tones, and the once it receive the digits, then you go for the mapping the map switching fabric map is consolidated, and network control order are then issued to establish the tag between the switching fabric. Okay, once is completing the path, see like that. Once is the establish the tag path, then ring called party. It means that the ring service circuits. Okay, there is a one service circuits that will be connected to the called party. After completion of the path, after the establishment of the path, the ring service circuit is connected to the called party, and the ring is initiated. Okay, see, the ring is initiated, and then when the called parties answer the call and start AMM. Okay, okay, detect the answer are busy, and then update to the network map and the count register. There's a automatic timer should start for billing process. Okay, these are connecting sequences. Okay, you see connecting sequence. It is there. You can see in the presentation slides. Next is the disconnecting. Okay, next one is the disconnecting sequences. And the disconnecting sequences also involve some of the hardware and software. The lines are constantly scanned. Okay, the lines are be constantly scanned for disconnecting from either end user, anyone. ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ರು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಇನಿಷಿಯಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ದೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೈನ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರ ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರ ಕಾಲ್ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಅದು ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ದ ಲೈನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಡ್ ಫಾರ್ disconnecting from either end user. Okay, one off is detected. Okay, any one side, any one side is a offer key directed from either party, from either of the party, the switching network issued an order to cut down the call or tear down the call. ಓಕೆ, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಒಂದ್ಸರಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಫಾರ್ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರೋಸರ್ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಸರ್ ಹೆಂಗಿರುತ್ತೆ, ದಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ಲಿ ಮಾನಿಟರಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಲೈನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಐದರ್ ದ ಎಂಡ್ಯೂಸ್ಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಫಾರ್ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಐದರ್ ಎಂಡ್ ಯೂಸರ್ಸ್. ಒನ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಹುಕ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಕಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಕಾಲು, ಐದರ್ ಎನಿ ಕಾಲಿಂಗ್ ಆರ್ ಕಾರ್ಡ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಯಾರೊಬ್ರು ಕಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ ದ ಸ್ವಿಚಿಂಗ್ ನೆಟ್ವರ್ಕ್ ಇಸ್ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಅನ್ ಆರ್ಡರ್ ಟು cut down the call or tear down the call. Once the call is disconnected, the billing software or timer is stopped. Okay, when this call cut ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, billing software ಏನಿದೆಲ್ಲ that will be stopped. Okay, there is a stop AMA timing, and we can see in the block diagram also. Continuously scan the line, detect the ANUC and test line, order to the particular network map switching fabric to cut down the calls, and then update it to the particular networking map, updated in the network map, and then stop the AMM. There's a automatic billing machine will be stopped. Okay, this is the disconnecting sequence. See, for connecting and disconnecting, we see a number of hardware and softwares are involved in this modules. Okay. See, please note on this block diagram. Everyone should note on, take the heading is the call module, and note on the this one diagram. Okay, any doubt regarding this? Any doubt? Any doubt? Any doubt regarding this?
No, sir. No, sir.
Okay. Please everyone note on this block diagram. Very easy. See, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸರ್ ನೀವು ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು. ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಟೆಸ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ, ಯಾವಾಗ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಸಿ in the early days they are using telephone. So in the telephone this kind of we have followed for this type of procedure are followed for connecting and disconnecting the call. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ನಾವೇನಂದ್ರೆ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಿತ್ತಲ್ಲ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ ರಿಂಗಿಂಗ್ ಟೆಲಿಫೋನ್ಸ್, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಈ ತರ ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಮತ್ತೆ ಡಿಸ್ಕನೆಕ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸಸ್ ಯಾವ ತರ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವಿ. ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಇನ್ ದಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಪ್ರೀವಿಯಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಓಲ್ಡನ್ ಡೇಸ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ the number of softwares are involved in this processor. Okay, like line processor software, the data of process softwares, test line softwares are used to testing the line, to detecting the output, to scan the request. Okay, then translation programs are used for the translating the line to the particular DSS. Next you have to connecting the dial tones. One is receive the request, the dial tone will be connected. Okay, and immediately the digits are receive the digits, and then that will be access to the network map. Okay, and then the network connections. Okay, the NCP will be ordered to the establish the connections. Okay, that for hunting the network path. Once establish the connection, that is called as a talk path. Okay, once it is establish the connection, then we'll go for the the next process is the ringing the called party for alertness. Okay, that's why we are given the ringing service circuits are used to alerting the called party. And once the called party will be answered, okay, detect, that is called the ANUC. Then immediately the things will be updated in the network map and will be start the billing timer. Okay, there's a start AMA time. And similarly in the disconnecting sequence also, it is continuously scanning the lanes. Once it detect the ANUC, okay, once it detect the ANUC, again will be go for the test lane. Again the order the map tear of the call. When it is detect the ANUC, any either sides, okay, ಯಾರು ಒಬ್ರು ಏನಾರ ANUC ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಡಿಟೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಯ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ immediately it will be go for the tear down the call. Again that will be updated in the network map and stop the AMA time. Okay, this is the call module sequences. Okay, any doubt regarding this? Okay, next we are moving to the next important topic. There is a software linkages during the calls. Okay, this is a block diagram. See, everyone please note on this block diagram. Okay, see, during the calling process, okay, these are the software are involved in the connecting and disconnecting process. Okay, there is a software linkages required during the typical call. Typical call means it may be a connecting or it may be a disconnecting call models. Okay, see, everyone please note on this block diagram. See, in order to processor, in order to process a call through the DSS, require some software linkages. Is an example for example of software linkages required during the typical call. Okay, during the connecting and disconnecting the sequences. Okay, we are using some of the software. Okay, each software should be linked with that in the DSS. Okay, there is the line control programs. Okay, we can see observe how many number of softwares are linked with the typical calls. See, there is a line control programs. Okay, trunk control programs and trunk service circuit programs. Again, line service circuit program, and then network control program. Okay, network status programs, and call processing program, maintenance programs, translation and office data, AMI, automatic message counting, and then future program and disk unit, and also backup for all the program and data. See how many number of programs are involved in a typical call. Okay, we'll go one by one. See, in the line control program. Okay, the line control program will be there in the both trunk side as well as the line side. Okay, these line control programs scan the line modules and report the status of the network. Report the status to the network status programs. Okay, you can see observe in the block diagram. There's a network status program will be there. Means they will this line program. There is a line control programs. See, continuously scan the line modules. Okay, and send the report to the network status program report. What is the status of that particular report that will be sent to the network status program, which in turn to work with the network control program. Okay, this also will be work in turn with the network control programs. You can see observe in the block diagram. Okay, everything. See everything. All the what is that? All the reports. There's a line modules or trunk modules. So reports will be sent to the network status program. Okay, that network status program, which is in turn work with the network control programs. Okay, ಅದೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ ಜೊತೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ? Network control program ಜೊತೆ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. Okay. See, the line control programs also work with the line service circuits program in providing the dial tones. Okay, there's a line circuit programs will be AC that also will be combined with this line module, and then as well as the trunk modules. Here, the line circuit model, the line circuit, this is a line circuit. The line service circuit program is also providing the dial tones, digit receiving the digits and giving the ringing to the particular subscriber. Okay, that's why we need a service circuit programs. Okay, the line control program also work with the line service circuit programs in providing the dial tone. Okay, digit receive, ringing circuits, etc. to the subscriber line. Okay, the network control program is responsible for notifying the network connection when the subscriber goes off hook and fed a dial tone with the subscriber stop entering the digits. Okay, andre enappa andre idu en ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? What is the responsibility of NCP network control program is to notifying the network connection. Okay, we should notify the network circuits when a subscriber will be goes off. Once you identify the particular subscriber will be identify the off hook, then will be go for the fed dial tone when the subscribers stop entering the digits. Okay, then the call processing programs. See, there's a call processing programs are used to responsible for processing a calls, and then counting a calls, and then waiting message waiting indication the maintenance programs. Okay, see the CPP, there's a call processing program is responsible for processing the once you will get from when the report or information from the network NCPs, then call processing program is start the processing the call and count and also counting the call. Counting the call is nothing but there's just it will start the AMA also, and also if anything any maintenance means there will be wait for the indication and then the maintenance program. Okay, then the maintenance program also will be there. We can see observe the maintenance program also will be there. That also you are responsible for system recovery, remote diagnostic, backup softwares, and maintenance related programs. Okay, all these program are responsible for processing a call. If the call party is not in the same dial switches, then an outgoing trunk is used to establish a call between the two parties through the switching network. Okay, well, here line and outgoing trunk is constantly scanned, to disconnecting from either of the party. ಹಂಗಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸಿ ದ ಕಾಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಾದಾಗ ದಟ್ ಕಾಲ್ ಪಾರ್ಟಿ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಿಜಿಟಲ್ ಸ್ವಿಚಿಂಗ್ ಸೇಮ್ ಡಸ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ central office or the telephone exchange ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ then you go for the then using the outgoing trunks. The outgoing trunks are used to establish the call between the two parties through this switching network. Here, the line and outgoing trunk is constantly scanned and to detect the from either of the party. Okay, if the called party and calling party reside in the same same DSS digital switches, then it is called as a intra-office. Okay, these things we are discussing in the previous modules. Okay, in the module 2, I think module 2 or module 3. Okay, we have different types of call modules, are there intra or inter, or it may be outgoing or it may be incoming. Okay, suppose the call party within the same digital switches, that is called as a intra-office call. If the call party and calling party is reside, okay, called party and calling party is reside on different digital switching system, then it is called as a inter-office call. Okay, clear about this one? Clear about this one? Any doubt regarding this? Any doubt regarding this? See, very simple. Andre ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ಸರಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಕೇಳಿ. What do you mean that? See, how many number of software will engage during the calling and disconnecting process? Calling process ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾವ ತರ ಸಾಫ್ಟ್ವೇರ್ಸ್ ಏನೇನು ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. Okay, clear about this one? Any doubt regarding this? Hello, ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದೀನಿ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ? Say sir, no. Hello.
Understood, sir.
Okay. See, ಏನಂದ್ರಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ see, these are the softwares are linked with during the call processing. Okay, ಅರ್ಥ ಆಗ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? See, we can see observe in the block diagram also, there's a line control program and trunk control program. Suppose that called party is not there in the particular digital switch is with another digital switching system, then you can use outgoing trunk. Okay, outgoing trunk is used to establish the call between the two parties. Okay, here we can see there is a line modules. Okay, the report, the line control program will be monitoring the line modules status, and all the line module status will be sent to the network status program. Okay, and also this will be intended to work with the network control programs. Okay, and also there is a line service circuit programs are there. Okay, what is the function of this line service circuit program is to providing the dial tone, ringing tone, and receiving the digit to the subscriber lines. Okay, see, once this NCP network control program is responsible, what is the function of this one means it is responsible for notifying the network connection with the when a subscriber goes to off hook, and immediately if the subscriber will be in a off hook condition, then they will get a dial tone when the subscriber stop entering the digits. And then the call processing program is responsible for the processing the call. Okay, ಅದು ಒಂದ್ಸಲಿ ಅದು ಎಸ್ಟಾಬ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಲ್ಲ, ಅವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಸಿ ಕಾಲ್ ಪ್ರೊಸೆಸಿಂಗ್ ಪ್ರೋಗ್ರಾಮ್ ಇಸ್ ರೆಸ್ಪಾನ್ಸಿಬಲ್ ಫಾರ್ processing a call and counting a call and message wait induction and maintenance program. You can see, observe here, CCP, how many are, so how many softwares are linked with this CPP, those are called processing, maintenance software, translation and office data, and then AMM, and then future interaction, and also recovery. See, that's why the call processing program is responsible for processing a call and counting a call and waiting the message waiting, indication, and maintenance program. See, maintenance program is very responsible for system recovery, remote diagnostic, backup of software, and some of them related to maintenance programs. See, all these programs are responsible for the processing a car. Okay, suppose if the third party is not in the same DSS or same digital switches, then we are using for the outgoing trunk. You can see, observe, the trunk model we are using. Suppose that particular card party is not there in the particular DSS, suppose is in another digital switches, then we are utilizing the trunk models. Okay, that's called the outgoing trunk models. Then this outgoing trunk models are used to establish a call between the two parties through this switching network. Okay, again, the line and outgoing trunk is line and or is the line module, and then outgoing trunk is constantly scanned is to disconnect from either of the party. Okay, suppose the both the parties within the digital switch, then it's called as a intra office call. Suppose the both the parties in the different digital switches, then it's called as a inter office calls. Okay, clear? Okay.